guys, so you might be seeing we are on the floor. Got the moon behind us and those coconut trees, like it's a perfect portrait. What do you think? And we are just monkeying around doing, yeah, like we were laying cozy, lazy. He was down and now we are all together and we are planning that we'll go to the beach or something.
Baga Beach.
Aarti is desperate to go to Baga Beach because she wants to take a look at the hot boys.
Exactly.
And even I want to take a look at them. And what about you? Okay, so he's out of the scene. So we are going to rock Goa. And it's so beautiful. Look, it's so surreal. The moon behind. Like when we look out just that way, it's more beautiful. I hope the camera does justice.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light.
Hi guys, so I'm all ready. Now we are heading out. It's almost around 12. We were just lazing around and all that stuff. So we are heading out towards the beach or the market. We have no intentions of going in the water. So these guys are ready as well. Hi.
Hi.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be
Hello. Hi. So now I'm at Bistro. And we are sitting in the tent. It's nice, beautiful and all red. Aarti?
Cause I know that you'll make it on your own.